Hi, my name is Taryn, and I'm going to show you how to create contracts for recurring services in Knowify. First, we will go to our Contract Jobs module and add a new job. We will be prompted to input our client and name the job. We will then need to enter a site address where we will be performing the service. Generally, when we start a job, we create a project plan and plan and track. But with our maintenance contracts, we'll go right to Create Bid/Contract and choose Maintenance Contract. This will need to be enabled in our admin section by going to Customize and enabling Dispatcher. When we hit Continue, it will bring us to the basic contract creation screen where we will put in a contract number, some payment terms. We can associate this with an estimated end date so we know how long we'll be performing this for. And then we'll put in the service information by giving it a title, a description, and a price for every visit. We can also just bring in a service from our catalog so we don't need to customize this every time. It will automatically bring in our description and the correct price for service. Then, like other contracts, we'll put in terms and conditions. When this contract is live, I can click Make Active. It'll prompt me for the start date again and the date of my first ticket, and I can change how often I will be reminded to schedule an appointment, be it weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. When I make this contract live, you'll notice there's no longer a plan and track section in this job, but it's been replaced with the service history option. Service history is going to show me all of my unscheduled and scheduled tickets and also how many I've completed. This is going to automatically create an unscheduled ticket in my Dispatch Jobs module that will stay in my system until I schedule a worker on it. To schedule a worker, I press Edit. It'll automatically input the address and any notes associated with this job. And then I can see who's available to schedule them onto the job. Then, when I press Save Changes, it will prompt me to set a date for the reminder when we create the next unscheduled ticket in our system. I'm going to set this one for the 20th. And now, this ticket won't show up on my system until the 20th, at which point I will be able to schedule this. I can also press Unscheduled Services to see anything else that's pending a scheduling. This will also give me the option to change the reminder date, and I'll move it back a day. Now, starting on the 19th, this will be displayed in my system, and I can know it's time to schedule. We'll then track all of our expenses on this job just like any other dispatch ticket. I can log hours to it, write in a description of what I did that day, and submit my hours. I can also log purchases towards this, or just go to my catalog and allocate any necessary materials that I used. You'll notice that it assigns a date to each ticket so we can differentiate one from the other. Now, when I go back to my dispatch jobs, I can choose that scheduled ticket, mark it when it's complete, and automatically go to the invoice module. I can automatically bring in the correct price that I agreed upon in the initial contract, and I can also add additional items if necessary. Then I'll finalize this invoice just like any other invoice in Knowify. And I can go back to my contract jobs module and see how profitable this contract has been. Then back in my service history, I can see that I've invoiced one of my tickets and there's another one that's pending scheduling. Thank you for watching our video on creating maintenance contracts in Knowify. For more information, feel free to check out the rest of our YouTube channel, or you can always contact us at support@knowify.com and someone will be happy to help you.